Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. All right, so let's begin. This can be super annoying, so let me show you how you can fix it. I just want to show you what's currently happening for me. So let's swipe across. I'll go and take a story like so, then click on the music icon at top, and I want to go and use some music by an artist called Santandave. Like so. You go and if it's not appearing. There, it is important to note that not every single song in the world is on the Instagram Music library, but a lot is. And often Instagram isn't showing you it because you've got a setting turned on. And I'll show you how to turn that off and show all the music on the Instagram Music library. So what you can do is come off this and you can go discard it. You need to come back to your profile page. Now you need to go to the top right and click on the three lines. I need to go and scroll down to the For Professionals. This is often happening because you've got a professional account. So if you click on Business Tools and Controls and swipe down, click on Switch Account Type and click on Switch to Personal Account. You need to confirm your decision. And it will take a moment or two. It's now done it. I come back to the home page and I'll swipe across, take a story. I'll then click on the music icon at the top and I'll click on Search and let me go. Then type in Santandave again, and there it is. So now that I've turned that setting off, I should be able to go and use all the music songs in the Instagram Music library. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.